Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Likee app on mobile. So it's very easy. If you're using iOS device, just go to App Store here. And if you are using Android device, just go to Play Store and download Likee from there. So here in the search bar, just search for Likee app. So in the first, you can see the Likee app. Just click on the get and just access it. So wait a while till it gets downloaded in your mobile. So now your Likee app has been downloaded. Just click on the open button here and your brand new Likee app is downloaded successfully. So in this way, you can just download Likee app in your mobile. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.